Today I will be showing you guys how to make this turmeric vegan cruelty-free mask. Oatmeal can soak up excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. It also removes dead skin cells. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. Cinnamon is a natural choice for fighting acne thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Tea tree oil is a popular choice for treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It calms redness, swelling, and inflammation. Now, before you put on your mask, you want to make sure your face is nice and clean. It's going to stain your towels, so make sure you have a towel you don't really care about. And also make sure you're using a shirt you don't care about. I'm just using this like old ripped shirt. I usually make a lot so that I can use it throughout the week. I just put it in the fridge. Okay, so as you can see, some of the mask has cracked and dried off. Two, I'm gonna remove it. It's really dry and I can't really make any facial expressions. But we're gonna wash it off and then I can get on the bike. Look at that! My face feels so hydrated and beautiful. Make sure you guys moisturize your face after you do any type of mask. I like using coconut oil as my moisturizer, but I'm not gonna put any on right now because I'm gonna get on the bicycle, and I should have probably written first and done the mask later, but I don't know. I just sometimes do things in weird order. Please let me know if you guys liked the video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.